Hey, Mo here, Powerline Industries. Thanks for tuning in. We're doing a class today, and we're honored to have one of our guests that came through class 2 years ago, right?
Yeah.
Tyler?
October 21.
Nice, nice. So you rolled the dice as a young man, took a shot on Powerline to go into the power wash business. And maybe you could tell me a little bit about how that's worked out for you. Now, 2 years later, Tyler's come up, addressed the class, told his success story, and maybe share just a little bit with you. He's from a town down south. We're not going to say where, because this guy's taken over the planet here. So, Tyler, a little word about what color of trailer you chose and which machine?
So I got the blue one, the blue unit with the Vanguard 23 horse on it. I chose Powerline because it's honestly the cleanest looking rig out there, and it's a great overall unit. I mean, you can wash damn near anything and everything, and the convenience of it, the classes, the people here, it's been a wonderful experience, and they're a lot of the reason of my success today that I've had.
You're doing? I heard you're doing over 6 figures. You're in the 100 grand.
We did over 6 figures the first year, and we're on our way to $250,000 this second year.
Holy smokes!
So,
if you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I just turned 22 on Monday.
22 is legal age. You know, you're not wanted by the FBI or anything, so we'll put this video out. But if you are, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So that's cool. Let me ask you this: how many hours and how many hours do you have on your machine now? And tell me what service you've had to do.
So I've had just a little. I've gotten just a little over 1,000 hours on it now.
Yeah, 1,000 hours. Wow.
If you maintain them right, they run. I really don't have too many complaints about it. Honestly, it's kept.
I'm trying to see if there's anything on there. So you got 1,000 hours. That's a lot of hours, by the way. The motor's only rated for 2.
So you're halfway there. I'm gonna have to come get.
But I've heard
one.
Guys get more if they do super maintenance. How is the return on the investment? Let's say you were looking at. I'm gonna pick on Northern. I love Northern. No disrespect to Northern Tool, but they're half the price, right?
Right.
So, for buying that machine and how it looks, how's that helped your business showing up, looking like a pro? How's that helped you?
It's helped tremendously. I mean, you show up. I mean, I have the challenge of my age, and I look like a toddler when I show up to jobs, but the machine sells itself. You show up with your company name and logo, and I've had people come up to me at gas stations go, "Whoa, dude, that's awesome. I've never seen something like that before. What do you wash? What do you do?" Well, there's a cell. Here's my business card. I'll wash whatever you want.
I know you're doing some big national accounts, so congratulations. We're not going to say names. We don't want competitors coming after you. But good luck if you do, right? Because you really take good care of your accounts. So you feel like the class was helpful?
Class was very helpful. If I would have not taken this class, I would have looked at this machine and go, where do I start? Because the machine, I mean, it's just got.
Let's walk over to the style you've got. So these are the Honda 690s, which arguably is very, very similar.
Right. And I've got this Vanguard 23.
So you got Vanguard 23. We've had availability problems with this engine.
Right.
So
right.
We've been able to get the 690s, which arguably
are just as good about.
Yeah, they're very, very similar. But that's great. Thanks for Powerline TV and Tyler. We don't overly toot our horn. Is that a good term?
With
here at Powerline.
You guys should.
But we walk the walk, and if you're after a industrial grade piece of equipment, looking to go into business, or like this gentleman here, that's I will say his company name's Chick-fil-A. That's a big company. Their corporate's in picking up a rig. So if you want something you can count on long term, and there's an old saying, what you get, what you pay for, right?
Yeah, what you pay for.
So same with your work. So you can charge a little more, do a better job, make more money, right? That's the whole idea behind it. Take care. Call us anytime. We're happy to help and serve our customers any way we can. I guess you.
Yeah, no, they
know
they definitely put their money where their mouth is. So I mean, everything they say is true, and they're here to help in any way they can, in every aspect of the industry.
Appreciate that. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Sincerely. Take care. Thank you.